The sun is setting and it's becoming dusk. It's time for Priscilla, the female barred owl, to hunt. She awakens from her nest in the trees. She sets off into the night sky. She flies higher to see any movement above the forest. She searches the field for her prey. There is no movement, only the trees move in the silent wind. Priscilla perches on a tree and waits. Silence hangs over the night as dawn slowly arrives. It's been a long time since Priscilla had a nice meal. No other animals seem to be alive. Once again, she heads to the lake to catch some fish. Priscilla has been worried and scared because she saw a zombie animal get eaten alive by a bunch of other infected animals a few weeks ago. Some kind of virus turned the humans into zombies, animals as well. And one by one, the infected animals go around eating anything left alive. It's been this way for a long time now. Priscilla was fast asleep in a tree hole when what sounded like a building miles away collapsed. Now awake, Priscilla travels to go and check it out. Priscilla finds a large building left by the humans has collapsed. Now hungry and grumpy from being tired, Priscilla was ready to give up when suddenly Ayla, a bald-headed eagle, appeared high in the sky. She had thought Priscilla was a tiny bird to eat and bombed Priscilla. Both Ayla and Priscilla stopped suddenly. They were super shocked to see another bird after so long when all the others had died or left for food. After a while, both Priscilla and Ayla realized they are birds of prey, and yet they were both hungry and in need of help. Priscilla was a night hunter, Ayla was a day hunter. Today, they finally crossed paths. Priscilla shares flying softly and gliding is a good way to sneak up on the food. Being silent is key to catching prey. Ayla and decide to share her skills as well. Ayla shows her how to catch fish and hold onto it even in the water. Eventually both birds remained close and spent a lot of time hunting together. They were tired of being alone in a dying world. Once top of the food chain, these birds needed to grow and learn new things to survive. They realized they both needed help and friends. Not being alone had given them new hope. Soon after meeting, they built a home together in a tall tree away from the ground, where they could spend the cold nights no longer alone. The end.